It's so hard to see anything with the trees. That's doing something. Or it's trying to. Here we go, guys. We're about to get smacked. Your Thunderstorm cable producing this radio is located over Parkville. That's exactly where we are, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. It's never going to keep up. You see that lightning strike? Oh my gosh. Right center frame right there. Nice positive bolt. This is going to get a little crazy here. What is this guy doing? What is he doing? Dude, come on. Oh, the flag hit the ground. That's what he's saving the flag. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Wow. These winds are wild. The whole car right now is shaking. The whole car is shaking. Wow. These are probably at least 65 mile per hour winds right now. Gosh. Look at this, guys. This is wild. Wow, these winds are wild. The whole car right now is shaking. The whole car is shaking. This is Storm Chaser Seth right there. So you can still see the yellow line a little bit. This is wild. Oh my God. There's a trash can floating here on the corner. Look at this. What the heck? That whole area right there. It's flooded. Look at this street flooding, guys. Tremendous amount of rain.